Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? You know, like when you get your nails done, you always gotta be extra, right? Okay, so I'm super excited because the nail beauty company sent me a pair of nails, custom made simply and just for me. This is the first time that I am using this lipstick shape nail. This is how they look. And here are the thumbs. Very beautiful. I actually really like them. I'm very shocked. I've never done this shape before, but she did her thing. So if you want to see how to apply some press on nails, you can do that with these nails from her. I'll also link all down her information if you like these nails, and you can see what other styles that she has. So I'm going to link that down below. But if you want to see how to apply press on nails, keep on watching. Before we get into it, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Make sure you subscribe. I'm very annoying. Anyway, you guys, let's get right into it. Hey you guys, so here is how the nail beauty company sends their press on nail sets. It comes in this white box, and then it comes with this package of things to apply, and then she sent me a cute coupon code and verbiage postcard. Really cute. So here are the nails, and this is how they come. Because I am a brand ambassador for her, she already asked me to measure my nails. She sent me a little kit. But when you're just buying, I'm pretty sure she sends you extra. So it comes with a file, another logo, a nail pusher, a cuticle pusher, and then some glue, and then alcohol pads. So that's everything that comes when you buy these nails. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start by pushing back my cuticles with the cuticle pusher that she gave me. It works just as good as any other one. So yeah. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with my cuticle cutter and just cut off my cuticles just to make sure that they're nice and neat. You want to make sure they're pushed back, especially when you're putting on press-ons, because that is already created for you, that end. So you want to make it look seamless. You want this to look like a nail set, so it's important to do that and push your cuticle back and cut those off. And then, of course, like I do with all the time doing my nails, I'm grabbing my nail drill and I'm buffing out all of the oil in my nails. And this is what's going to help the nails stick for a longer period of time or last longer. So you want to make sure you buff these out a lot. Alright, and then I'm just going to go over with the little file thing that she gave me. It's pretty brittle, so it works very well, and I'm just going to go over that. It is also smoothing out my nail bed, which is also going to look great. I brushed off the excess stuff, and then I'm going to grab this alcohol pad and clean off my nails. And of course, alcohol is a drying out agent as well. So even though it's moisture, it's going to dry out your nails, so it's not going to add any more of that oil back onto it. And then you just start by placing the nail. I'm just making sure that it fits in case I needed to file around it or anything like that, just in case. And it does fit, so I'm just going to grab that glue and just glue it on. And like, these are the lipstick shape nails. I've never done this shape before, so it's really interesting. I actually like how they look on me. They're really cool. So you're just going to keep doing that with every nail. Just glue them down. I measure each one before I glue it down just to make sure. And then I just drop a dollop of glue and then put that on there, like a dollop of Daisy. I don't know if you guys remember that commercial, but you know. And you just hold that for a few seconds until it doesn't move. You want your finger to move with the nail. And now for the thumb. Alright, so this is the moment when I realized I put the nail on the wrong hand, and I actually appreciated this because she was so helpful. I was able to like call her via Instagram on video, and she helped me, and because I was like not paying attention. So she told me if that happens to you, you can soak the nails off in warm water, just soak them off so the glue wiggles around, and then you can pull it off. So I had to do that. I soaked my nails for like an hour, and then I was able to switch them around. So I did the other hand since I already did that on camera, and it was the same process. And now I'm showing you the correct way that it's supposed to go, basically. And that's pretty much it. These are literally 5-minute nail sets because they're just press it on. They're really pretty. I love the design she did on my thumb. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Like, I love these. Definitely check her out. All her information will be down in the description box. Don't forget to join my flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.